You hear that? I don't know if this microphone's gonna be able to pick it up. My dad first heard it, he thought it was somebody's air conditioning gone wrong. It's a 17-year cicada out in this part of the region. Here's one crawling out of the ground. It's gonna come out of its shell. It's gonna mate and die. There's some up there that are crawling, they have wings now. There's some shells. I wonder when he's going to stop and decide to come out of there. The other one I saw, it was coming out. There's a bubble on its back, right where it would split. I wonder how they caused the split to happen.